Yep, we're at it again. Spending day 2 on the derby car, guys. We're gonna be painting the rest of the car where we missed off last week when we were here painting it. You know, had a little bit of extra time off, so come out early, try to get some more of the car done. So we're gonna paint the back end all black. If you're interested in tagging along, guys, check us out at redneckruckers.ca or on our YouTube channel. And yeah, we'll have some fun anyways. We're gonna continue doing the build, so stick with us. So guys, as you can see right now, my wife is just taping off the white that we painted last week, just so we don't get any of the red on it. So that's Chelsea's working on that there now, and then as soon as she's done this side, I'll start painting, and then we're gonna pull all that chrome trim off. So now we're going to paint the back end of the car. We're going to put it with black paint. So yeah, pretty much from where you see here where the car splits, it's going to go all black in the back. So yeah, that's how we're going to paint it. And then we're going to do all our decals and sponsors another day, and hopefully get the trim off today as well. Well, we spent the evening painting the car, and we're finally done painting the body. We're gonna get more done and just gotta touch up the rims a little bit, but this is what it looks like.